Everybody wants a barn door, but not everybody can have one. You, my friend, can, via your own hands. Here's how to make a barn door. Sharpen your pencil. Decide the length and width of your door. Then using simple math, figure out how many boards you need. Cut your main boards to length, then lay them out. Decide which width boards you want for the perimeter, then cut them to length. In this case, the header is 5.5 inches and the sides are 4.5. Achieving a 4.5 inch board requires what we call a rip. And if you're like me and somebody jacked your table saw to buy drugs, you're gonna have to do it the old school way. Make a few marks down the board. Scribe the board, but don't get a splinter. You also wanna check your board for straightness to minimize bull. Lay another straight board on top and pop a nail in it. Sharpen your pencil. Use your handy dandy 18-volt DeWalt saw. Line all your boards up and pull them tight together. Pull a diagonal measurement to check for squareness. Nail the sides and bottom only. The top's gonna need a clamp, but if somebody stole that too, you can use a ratchet strap. Tighten it down, then do a little pow-pow. With crossboards come weird angles. Do yourself a favor and throw your speed square to the side. Scribing these cuts make your job a lot easier. Zip, zip, lay it in and repeat. You have entered an elite group of carpentry superstars. While I exaggerate, just know most of this is really simple. Sharpen your pencil again. Somebody went crazy with a nail gun, so get to know your wood filler. Yes, I'm talking about you. A DA sander will bring your door from a DIY project to a work of art. So spend a good bit of time sanding. Sometimes you can use an orbital sander for a little more aggressive sand. Achieving things you never imagined is what it's all about. Can it, buddy? Thank you for watching Ground Up. Let's dance. Coming out the struggle, you get it any way you can. And you have a lot of people trying to change the plan, but you never let somebody come and change the man. Here's how to make a barn door.
You, my friend, can have grilled chicken if your husband gets off the off the video camera and goes and grills it because you're hungry.
You trying to say you're hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Coming out the struggle, you get it any way you can. And you have a lot of people trying to change your plan, but you never let somebody come and change the man.